in previous class, we have already solved many problems of area of bounded region. Again here we are going to solve some problem. Here the problem is, find the area of the region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are minus 1 0, 1 3 and 3 2. This is triangle, vertices are this. Now we have to find the area of this triangle, means here we require equation of AB, equation of AC and equation of BC. So first we will find equation of these lines. So what is equation of AB? In class 11th you have already learned the formula of equation of AB, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we will use this formula. So equation of AB is y minus 0, I will take x1 and y1 this point. So y minus 0 is equal to 3 minus 0, that is 3, upon 1 minus minus 1, that is 2, into x minus minus 1, that is x plus 1. So this is equation of AB. Now equation of BC. Again I will take this as x1 y1. So this y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 2, upon x2 minus x1, that is 4, into x minus x1, so x plus 1. So this is equation of BC. Now what is equation of AC? Equation of AC is y minus 2 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 2, 1, upon 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, into x minus 3. So this is the equation of this. Now we will simplify this first. So this becomes y is equal to minus x upon 2 plus 3 by 2 and plus 2. Now here y is equal to minus x by 2 plus 3 by 2 and plus 2. So it becomes minus x plus 7 whole upon 2, or it can be written as y is equal to 7 minus x upon 2. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 1 is this, means this is y is equal to 3 by 2 into x plus 1. Equation number just 2 becomes y is equal to x plus 1 upon 2. First is this, y is equal to 3 by 2 into x plus 1. Second is y is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1. And third is y is equal to 7 minus x upon 2. Now area of the triangle. Will draw perpendiculars from A to this x axis. Suppose this point is M and this point is N. Now area of the bounded region is area of the region BAMB, area of this triangle, plus area of MACN and minus area of this triangle. So this is the area of the bounded region. So it becomes area of BAMB plus area of MANCN and minus area of BCNB. Now what is area of this? So this can be written as integration of, we have to take y from equation of AB, and equation of AB is this. So integration of 3 by 2 x plus 1 and limit from minus 1 to 1 plus area of second, we have to take y from equation AC, and AC is this. So, integration of 7 minus x by 2, here we have to write dx, and limit of this is from 1 to 3 and minus this, we have to take y from AB. So, this is x plus 1 by 2 dx. So, area of this is integration of x plus 1 by 2 dx and limit is minus 1 to 3. Now, we have to integrate this. So, this is 3 by 2, we can take it out. Integration of this is x square by 2 plus x and limit from minus 1 to 1 plus 1 by 2, and this is integration of constant. So, 7x minus x square by 2, this is 1 to 3, and minus 1 by 2, we can take it out. So, integration of this is x square by 2 plus x, and limit of this is from minus 1 to 3. Now, we will put the values and we will find the area. Now, we have to put the values of this. So, area becomes 3 by 2, put value 1. So, 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 is plus 1 plus 1 by 2, 21, 7 3 is 21, minus 9 by 2, minus 7 into 1 is 7, plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, 9 by 2 plus 3 minus 1 by 2 and plus 1. Now, it becomes 3 by 2 of 2 plus 10 by 2 minus 8 by 2, that is 3 plus 5 minus 4, that is 4 square units. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve x minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 1. Here, first curve is x minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 1. This is a circle whose center is at 1 and 0 and radius is 1. Second circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So, here center of the circle is 0, 0, that is origin, and radius of the circle is 1. Now, these two circles intersect each other at A and C. So, this is OABCO. This is the area of the region bounded by these two circles. Now, first we have to find the point of intersection of these points. And one more thing, that this bounded area is symmetric about x-axis. So, we can take this area as 2 times of area of OABO. So, first we will find the coordinates of point A. Now, we will put the value of y from second equation in first equation. So, it becomes x plus 1 square plus value of y square is 1 minus x square is equal to 1. Now, this is x minus 1 square. If you simplify this, x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x square is equal to 1. Here 1 cancel, x square cancel. So, 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 1 by 2. So, this is x coordinate of the point of intersection. Now, we will put the value of x and find the value of y. So, y square is equal to 1 minus x square, and 1 minus x square means 1 minus 4. So, that is 3 by 4, and and square root of this, that is value of y, is root 3 by 2. Here plus minus, what we want coordinates of A, and that point is in the first quadrant. So, we will take root 3 by 2. So, coordinates of the point A are 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Is it clear? Now, y square is 3 by 4, we will write this here. So, y square is 3 by 4, so y 3 by 4, so y is root 3 by 2. We will take positive value only because we have to find the coordinates of point A. Now, area is equal to, area of the bounded region is equal to area of OA, B, C, O. But this figure is symmetric about x-axis, this area is symmetric about x-axis. So, we can write this as 2 times of area of OABO. Now, we will draw perpendicular from this to this, because this to x-axis, because from O to A, we have to take the value of y from this circle, that is x minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 1, and from A to B, we have to take the value from this circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So, this we can break this in 2 parts, that is 2 times of area of OADO plus area of DABD. Now, area of this becomes 2 times of value of y from this circle. So, this is 1 minus x minus 1 square under square root. This is the value of y from this circle, because here we have to take y from this circle, and integration of this from 0 to 1 by 2 plus integration of, then value of y from this is 1 minus x square under square root dx, and from this is from 1 by 2, this is integration of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square from 0 to 1 by 2 dx, and this is integration of 1 minus x square dx from 1 by 2 to 1. Now, here 1 minus x minus 1 whole square under square root, this is formula, standard formula is under root a square minus x square form. Okay. So formula is under root a square minus x square, integration of this is x by 2 into under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x upon a. So, here we will use x minus 1 as a in first part. So, this is x minus 1 by 2 under root 1 minus x minus 1 square plus a is 1. So, a square by 2 is this. So, and sine inverse x minus 1 plus second part is x by 2 under root 1 minus x square, just a minute, this limit is 0 to 1 by 2, and this is x by 2 under root 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x. This is 1 by 2 to 1. Now, put the values. So, this becomes, when we put x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So, it becomes minus 1 by 4. Then, if x is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 square, and 1 minus 1 by 2 square is 3 by 4, and square root of that is 3 by 2 plus half sine inverse minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. If you put 0, this becomes 0 because 1 minus minus 1 whole square becomes 0. So, no need of writing this. And if x is equal to 0, this becomes 1 by 2 sine inverse minus 1. Now, second part, here plus when x is equal to 1, this becomes 1 by 2, but 1 minus 1 is 0. So, no need of writing this, this becomes 0, and when x is equal to 1, this becomes 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 minus when x is equal to 1 by 2, this becomes 1 by 4, and 1 minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2. So, this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. After simplification, we will get the answer, that is 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 square units. So, these are some problems based on area of bounded region. You will get 6 marks question in